Hello, everybody. My name is Tracy Jackson, and I am going to do a book talk today. The name of my book is Dear America, So Far From Home, The Diary of Mary Driscoll, an Irish Mill Girl in Lowell, Massachusetts in 1847. The author is Barry Denberg, and he published this in 2003. This is an American historical fiction for grades 5 through 8. It is 144 pages long. The Lexile level is 710. Okay, this is written in diary format. So it shows you the date of the diary entry and where it is happening, the location. Okay, this story is about Mary, and she has a very hard thing that she has to do. She has to leave her parents and pursue a life in America to be able to help her parents survive the Irish potato famine. Mary travels on a ship for weeks and weeks, and everybody is starving on the ship and rough seas. And when she finally gets to America, she lives with her sister, who has already come over from Ireland, and her aunt. Okay, they get her a job at a textile mill. And Mary is disgusted with the horror and the danger that she witnesses that happens in the textile mills with herself and other children. She hopes to make enough money to bring her mother and father to America so they can survive, because right now they're still having a lot of issues with the potato famine. Okay. So I'm not going to tell you the ending of the story, but I have some questions. Could you leave your family and travel to another country? Um, does Mary survive the hard labor at the mill? Does she ever find happiness? Does she ever get enough money to bring her parents across the ocean? Well, you will have to get the book and find out for yourself.